Hello everyone, welcome back to English class. Today we are going to continue our previous chapter and the chapter name is Reach for the Top. In the last class I taught you up to paragraph number 4 and today we are going to continue from paragraph number 5. So as you know that every time before taking my class you have to keep one pencil textbook so that you could do underline important lines as well as difficult words and you can learn it later. It will help you to understand this chapter in better way. So let's begin today's class. Wishing always to study a bit more and with her father slowly getting used to her. Urged for more education, Santosh passed the high school examination and went to Jaipur. So finally, she completed her schooling and after completing her schooling, she went to Jaipur for further study. She joined Maharani College and got a room in Kasturba Hostel. My dear students, you are requested to do underline here. These lines are very much important. So please start doing underline. So after schooling, where did she go? So she went to Jaipur. And in which college she got admission? She enrolled herself in a college and the name of that college was Maharani College. Okay. And what was the name of the hostel of Santosh Yadav? It was Kasturba Hostel. Santosh remembers, Kasturba Hostel faced the Aravali hills. I used to watch villagers from my youth going up the hill and suddenly vanished after a while. One day, I decided to check it out myself. I found nobody except a few mountaineers. I asked if I could join them. To my pleasant surprise, they answered in the affirmative and motivated me to take to climbing. So what happened? As you know that initially Santosh Yadav's parents were not ready to support her. But later on, they became ready and they started giving their support also to Santosh Yadav. So after completing her schooling, she went to Jaipur and she enrolled herself in a college. What was the name of the college? It was Maharani College. And in which hostel she was living there? Her hostel name was Kasturba Hostel. So she found that Kasturba Hostel faced the Aravali hill. That means from her hostel, she could see the Aravali hills from the hostel because it was just in front of the hostel. So she used to watch the villagers. So what she used to observe, so many days she started observing, oh my God, there are so many people who started going up and suddenly they became vanished. What is the meaning of vanish? Vanish means what? Disappearing. That means she observed, she saw so many people were going up to the hill and after some time she was not able to see those people. And this scene created some curiosity in the mind of Santosh Yadav. So finally she decided to find it out or check it out why she is not able to see all those people who were climbing on the hill just a couple of minutes before. So finally, she found that those people were mountaineers. That means a person who start their journey, the person who start his or her journey to reach at the top of the mountain. So here, it was the group of the people who want to reach at the top of the mountain. And that is why she found that they were mountaineers. She if she could join them. And when she came to know like they are on their mission, then it aroused curiosity in her mind also, and it motivated Santosh Yadav also, and she decided like she will also reach at the top. For that, she took initiative and she discussed it with the mountaineers, and finally she got their permission, and she just made up her mind that she will also start her journey and she will also reach at the mountain, at the top part of the mountain. Now, let me tell you the difficult words in this paragraph. The first difficult word you can see here, urge. So, what is the meaning of urge? Urge means what? Strong desire. Next one is what? Vanishing. What is the meaning of vanishing? Disappearing. Next one is what? Determined. That means firm will. That means when you decide something very much firmly. Okay, for example, Santosh Yadav decided that she will also start her journey, okay, to reach at the top of the mountain. Now, he did. What is the meaning of he did? It is what? Went. Now, let's move ahead towards the 6th paragraph. Then there was no looking back for this determined young girl. When she started her journey, she never ever looked at the back. She saved money and enrolled in a course at Uttarkashi Nehru Institute of Mountaineering. She decided, and for that, she enrolled herself also in an institute. And what was the name of the institute? It was Uttarkashi's Nehru Institute of Mountaineering, because in this institute the teachers used to give training to the people who wants to start their journey. Okay, so their work was only to give skills and the training to the mountaineers so that their journey could be easy. So my college semester in Jaipur was to end in April, but ended on the 19th of May. So her semester was about to end in the April, okay? But because of any other reason, it was ended on the 19th of May. That means she was little late because of the exam schedule. And I was supposed to be in Uttarkashi on the 21st. That means she had to be present there. She had to join her mountaineering institute on 21st. And just before, like on 19th May, she completed her semester schedule or the exam. So I did not go back home. Instead, I headed straight for the training because she had no more time. Earlier, she had decided after giving her semester exam in Jaipur, she will once visit to her house. But when she found that there was only 1 day gap there, she had not much time, and that is why rather than going to her house, she decided to go to join their training directly. Okay, and that is why she started her journey and she reached her institute. It was Nehru Institute of Mountaineering. I had to write a letter of apology to my father, without whose permission I had got myself enrolled at Uttarkashi. So finally, because there was no any option to go back to her home because of lack of time, and that is why, because she was very good student also, as well as she was very much obedient child also, and that is why she wrote a letter to her father in which she asked to forgive her because she couldn't go back her house because of lack of time. She couldn't take even the permission of her parents, and without taking permission she directly had to reach their institute. So in this way, we can understand how much obedient she was. So this was all about the explanation up to paragraph number 6. In the next video, we shall see the explanation difficult words from paragraph number 7. So thank you so much. Have a nice day.